Hi friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Today we are going to see an instant sweet snack recipe, especially which will be very suitable for all the kids who are in need of a snack during the evening time. It takes up to 10 minutes hardly to prepare this recipe. So here we go. I'm adding 2 bananas to the mixture jar, 1 cup of wheat flour, 1/4 cup of rice flour, half spoon of cardamom powder, or you can use raw elachis for, half cup of brown sugar, 1 pinch of salt, I am adding 1 cup of water for the proportion of 1 wheat cup. Give a gentle mix to the ingredients which we have added to the mixer jar, as it avoids the stinking and spiking out of the ingredients from the mixer jar. Now we have to grind the batter smoothly like we grind for the idli dosa batter. So here the appam batter is ready. The consistency of the batter should be exactly like the dosa batter consistency. Make sure the batter is not so thick so that it gets easily hard. Now we can transfer the appam batter to a bowl. We are going to rest it for 10 minutes. And then we are going to start to make our sweet appams. Before preparing appams, you can also add 2 pinches of baking soda. It's quietly optional for you. Give a good mix. Now the appam tawa is ready. Each mold of the appam tawa holds 1 spoon of ghee. You can also add coconut oil or refined oil, but ghee stands and gives a good flavor to the appams. I'm pouring the batter 3/4 to each mold so that it will get cooked and puff up. Cook it on 1 minute for a stand, and now after 1 minute we are going to cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes till the appam has raised. Make sure to put the flame in medium. After 3 minutes, flip and cook the appams. You can see the holes and the puffiness which has raised in the appams. Just flip the appams to the other side and cook for 1 more minute. These appams are extremely delicious and healthy, especially for the kids. It hardly takes 10 to 15 minutes for us to prepare these appams. And it also has an outstanding taste also. Here we go. Our appams are almost ready. That's it. Our banana wheat flour appam is ready to serve. Do try this at home and give your valuable responses in the comment section. And I'm waiting to hear the responses. Please do subscribe to my channel Nisha's Food Hut. Press the bell icon to which my recent uploads will be received by you as a first person. Thank you.